Once you have created your workflow for a form, Rocket Form offers a screen designer. The screen designer is where you can customize the approval screen that approvers see when they are reviewing a submission. To access it, simply click Screen Designer in the header menu. To add our first screen for an approval review, click on New Screen. You can then enter the name of the screen along with a short description to define its purpose. From the workflow we created earlier, we will associate this screen with the marketing approval step. Once everything is filled in, simply click Submit to save your new approval review screen. After the screen is added, click on the screen, and you will be redirected to a page where you can choose the elements you want to be shown in the approval review. Simply drag and drop all the elements you need. You can even add the same elements multiple times if required. Once you've arranged everything, just click Save to apply your changes. Now we will add another screen that we will associate with the support management approval in our workflow. To do this, click on New Screen once again. Enter the name of the screen, provide a short description, and then select the support management approval step from the workflow. Once the new screen is added, click on it to open the setup. Just like we did with the marketing approval screen, you can now drag and drop the elements you want to display for the support management team. Add all the necessary fields and details they need to properly review submissions. After arranging the elements, make sure to save your changes so the screen is ready for use in the approval flow. Now let's test out the screen designer we created on our form. Start by accessing the form where the workflow is associated. Enter your responses. And for this test, we will follow the flow where the user selects yes on the question, "Would you like to recommend us to others?" Continue filling out the rest of the form fields, then go ahead and submit it. After the submission is complete, let's return to the form builder. From the header menu, click on Submissions, and then select Workflow Logs. Here, we can check whether the screen we designed for the marketing team's approval flow is showing up as expected. This allows us to confirm that the screen designer setup works seamlessly within the workflow. Next, click the Edit icon, and the approval view for the marketing team will open in the left panel. As you can see, all the fields we added from our screen designer are now visible, along with the actual responses entered in the form. You will also notice the workflow details displayed, such as the creation date and time, as well as the current workflow status. To continue with the approval flow, simply enter your comments in the provided section. Once you've added your remarks, click Complete to finalize the approval process. This action will complete the approval flow for the marketing team, just as we designed it in our workflow setup. Now let's view the screen we created for the support management approval view. To do this, first go back to the form that is associated with our workflow. Open the form and enter your responses. This time, we will test the flow where the user selects No for the question, "Would you like to recommend us to others?" Continue completing the rest of the form and then submit it. Once the submission is done, return to the form builder. Locate the approval entry that corresponds to the support management team. Next, click the Edit icon to open the approval view. Here, you will see the screen we previously designed, showing all the fields and responses, along with workflow details such as the created date, time, and current status. With Screen Designer, you gain the advantage of tailoring exactly what approvers see, keeping the review process clear, organized, and efficient. This ensures that decisions are made quickly, with the right context, and helps streamline the entire workflow process.